Hey guys, welcome back. Maybe you're wondering what version of Windows you have. To check it, it's very easy. Right click on the Windows logo at the bottom and then left click on System. Here we see Windows specifications where we can find the edition, the version and the OS build. This is all the information that you need in regards to your Windows installation. If you want to take it a step further, you can double left click to open your browser and search for Microsoft support. Press enter and you will find the support.microsoft.com website. Left click to open it. We're going to maximize this window, and here in the search bar you can look for update history and your Windows version, for example Windows 10. And if you search, you will find an in-depth article which tells you all the details that you need in regards to different versions of Windows, if you need to know something specific. Okay guys, that's it. We hope this helps you. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for future tips.